Hey guys, Ryan from Mechanic.com.au. We're here at the Brisbane Careers Employment Expo with our GearUP Auto Careers initiative. We're here showing young people and mature age people what it's like to work in the automotive industry. So we've got our Tesla up here. They're running a tyre change challenge. This is day 2 today, and it's been a massive day yesterday, and we're looking forward to many more people coming down here today. And we're really grateful to be joined by our friends at Repco Authorised Service and Pedders Suspension and Brakes. We're here today with Steve from Pedders. Tell us a little bit about what's unique about Pedders and careers with Pedders.
So Pedders is 75 years old, a family Australian-owned business. We still make a lot of our product and springs here in Melbourne and Dandenong. We export to 44 different countries, but the careers opportunities is apprenticeships, technicians, store managers, and you can go into diverse role, into head office, into IT, into research and development, into the product team, to design our products. We actually design and manufacture our own product, and we fit our own product here in Australia.
Well, that's incredible, Steve. There's a lot within the Pedders business, a lot of different pathways and directions that it can take you, isn't there?
There is careers. So we've got some really good stories where people start off as an apprentice, now they're actually in our design team, they're in our product team, manufacturing, so there's a great diverse career.
Wow, that's incredible. Thanks, Steve.
Thank you.
We're also joined here by our good friends at Repco Authorised Service. Peter, tell us a little bit about Repco Service and what it's like to have a career there.
Ryan, we've got 540 independently owned workshops across Australia. We are the largest network of independent repairers across Australasia. The predominantly family-owned business. Joining Repco Authorised Service is like joining one big family. You're fully trained with the in-house auto tech training that we provide, and one day, hey, you could even own the business. It's just a fantastic pathway for the young apprentices, for anyone in the automotive industry to make a career about being an automotive technician.